Melanie. Today we're going to make some cool farmhouse looking DIY signs. So what I have here are some boards that came off of a big spool, you know, the big huge wooden spool. Or these were them because we like to recycle and reuse, right? So these are all cut to the same size, and we're going to go ahead and lay them out. Going to use some natural stains. So today we'll be using tea. So, just kidding. It is just tea. So I brewed a cup of tea. I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze out the excess. And we're gonna use this for our stain. You see in the tea and vinegar stain, and that's what we're gonna use. It gives a really nice gray farmhouse look. So we're going to go ahead and get this on. Okay, so now you have your wood, you put your tea on it, you let it dry. I hit mine with a blow dryer for the sake of time. So mine is not completely dry. So there's going to be some inconsistencies in the staining that I'm going to be doing right now. That's okay. So in this jar right here, I have vinegar and still wool, and this jar has been in my garage for quite a while. So it is very well brewed, getting down to the nitty gritty. So I'll have to mix me up a new batch here shortly. But for now, it is ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and just take my brush and stain my wood. Okay, so now our wood is kind of dry. Hit it with the blow dryer, you can see it definitely changed the color. It will lighten up a little bit, and this is the pine that's going to be on the borders here. So it changes it, it gives it a nice look. So now it's time to apply our transfer. So I cut mine out on a silhouette machine. You can use a Cricut, you can buy stencils, whatever you want to do, okay? I have this machine, so I'm going to use it. So I'm going to get two uses out of this. So one will be a negative and one will be a positive, and we'll get two of them. So I'm going to start by using my little dental tool here. You can use whatever, and these machines do come with them. So I'm going to go ahead and pull off this O, and I'm going to get it pretty centered. I'm not really particular. It's one thing you'll know about me. Definitely helps if your wood is dry, so keep that in mind. Everything sticks better. Out in Antique Villa, and the of our vinyl, all of our vinyl removed. We're going to go ahead and turn these over and attach our wood so that we can hang them. So we'll put this one this way. With the same transfer, two different looks, but they both look cool. Our signs made, we need to make something to hang them with. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna use these self-driving little screw dudes. Okay, so that's what I put on my sign. You can put anything you want on yours. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that thumbs up, leave me some comments, and I hope to see you soon for some more DIY.